Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about email and CRM data segmentation. So Customer Match allows you to target users based upon their email address. So essentially, as you collect user emails, you want to think about why you collected them when you think about your segmentation. Now, those emails can be collected online, at trade shows, or anywhere that a user is giving you permission to market to them. So it's a great way to use offline or CRM data to reach users. So a good question to ask yourself is, how are the emails collected? The collection method and users' interaction often change how you want to segment your emails. As these methods and user behavior can vary greatly, there's two main items to consider when segmenting email lists. One is your funnel. As mentioned in the lead generation segmentation video, consider where the user is in your sales funnel, and the next step is a great way to start segmenting emails. User behavior and characteristics is another way to think about email segmentation. Now, as user behavior and characteristics is a concept and not a fast rule, let's walk through some examples. So let's say you have a loyalty program. So when you think about someone who's joined your loyalty program, they're more likely to buy again from you. Therefore, you can make a list of only loyalty members, so your ads show in high positions for just those members. You can even use the same concept to create a list of previous customers. Another way to do this is by cross-selling users. So if you think about users who are members of one product but not another one, how you'd want to segment these. So for instance, if you're an insurance company and you offer both car and home insurance, so you can make a list of users who only have car insurance with you, but they don't have home insurance. And then you can cross-sell to your own users who don't have home insurance yet. Then you can make another list of users who only have home insurance, but they don't have car insurance. Then you make yet a different list that have both of these. You can segment for e-commerce as well. So think of previous buyers. If you've connected your CRM data, then you know their last bought date. So you can target people who haven't been to your site in a while with one list with a low bid modifier, and then offer them great items and reasons to come back and buy. You can target users who bought from you recently with high modifiers, so they still remember the experience. They're likely to come back and buy again if they're searching. So users who sign up for discounts are even a different type of segmentation. You might show ads to them that have special offers. You have users who started a checkout and they might have given you an email, but then abandoned the process. So this is a great way to use high bid modifiers and expand your keyword to get them to come back and finish buying. You can even go so far as to segment users into high value purchases and low value purchases to manage your modifiers based upon the purchase price ranges. You can also use Customer Match to re-engage users. If you have peak times of the year, such as outdoor furniture, flower sales, holiday gifts, then you have users who might only buy from you 1 or 2 times a year. As emails can be uploaded at any time, you can make lists of peak time purchases and then re-engage with them during the next peak season. You can also think of re-engagement after an event, such as a trade show where you collect business cards or webinar where people register to view the content. If you have permission to market to those users, then you can re-engage with them after the event with Customer Match. So a big question is, how are your lists different from each other? So you might have some that are high volume, low returns. This means you want low bid modifiers and expand your keywords. You'll have other lists that are low volume, high returns. Since they're low volume, you may need fairly high modifiers to ensure you reach the top positions so that you see an uplift in conversions. In both cases, you can use different ads if you want to across search or just your current ads, and then create specific offers for those users across the display network. To see how different email list segments perform for you, you can create multiple audience lists and compare them against each other. Follow these steps. Create 2 to 3 distinct segments from your customer or CRM data, such as active customers, inactive customers, and users who signed up to hear about a product category. Add these audiences to 1 or more ad groups using a 0% bid modifier. Examine the conversion rates for each customer list. Adjust your bids based on the conversion data for each list. So what are your email lists? Every time you create a new email list or a way of collecting emails, you have the ability to segment customers. So examine your lists and think about why your user was placed in lists in the first place. What's their overall value to your business? consider how you'd like to market to each of these lists. So some things to remember and take away. So your CRM system itself may dictate how you can segment your list. A great way to continue segmenting your list is based upon audience characteristics, such as loyalty members, cross-selling, or re-engaging users. So if you're a small company, start with the basic list. If you're a larger company, then think through how you want to reach users and your ultimate goals for each list segment.